Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neelam. I am Naturopath. In this video, I'll be talking about naturopathy treatment and diet for high blood pressure patients. In my previous video, I already discussed about what is high blood pressure, risk, cause and symptoms of high blood pressure. A very nice saying goes like this: learn to live your life. Material things lost can be found, but there is one thing that can never be found when it is lost, and that is health. बिल्कुल सही है. हिंदी में भी कहा गया है कि मटेरियल थिंग्स अगर चली जाए तो हम उसे वापस पा सकते हैं, पर हेल्थ एक बार चली जाए तो उसे पाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. इसलिए हेल्दी रहने के लिए आज मैं एक नए वीडियो के साथ आपके सामने आई हूँ. In this video, I'll be talking about the DASH diet of high blood pressure. I already explained what is high blood pressure, its risk, cause and symptoms. The link is already given in the description box. In one of my video, I already explained about the philosophy of diet. Actually, if we follow that philosophy, we can avoid lot of diseases or problem in our life and can live a very healthy and disease-free life. The link of that video also is given in the description box. First of all, what is DASH diet? What is the meaning or full form of DASH diet? DASH means dietary approach to stop hypertension or high blood pressure. But this diet can cure many other diseases also, like diabetes, stroke prevention, obesity, CAD prevention, that is coronary artery disease, or PVD prevention, that is peripheral vascular disease, and many other diseases. DASH diet is low in sugar, salt, red meat, and saturated fats. First of all, we have to reduce sodium intake and increase the intake of potassium. But yes, anything in excess can cause other problems also. Excess of potassium can cause nausea, muscles fatigue, weakness, paralysis, and abnormal heartbeat. So potassium intake should not exceed than normal. If you follow the DASH diet, you can reduce your medicines, and for sure, stage 1 and stage 2 patients will not need any medicine, and the patients who are taking medicines since long can gradually reduce the medicine. Now take out your pen and paper and start writing your daily routine with diet and naturopathy treatment. Thank me later for this diet and say goodbye to high blood pressure forever if you follow this diet and with this naturopathy treatment. Early morning, soon after leaving the bed, just have 2 glasses of lukewarm water because hydration is necessary. Try to have 2 glasses of water without brush or without going for urine or motion. Now you can start your daily routine. After completing your daily routine, you can make a detox drinks. There are many types of detox drinks, so you will never going to get bored with that. First, you can make a white pumpkin juice, that is called Safed Petha also. Then second one is amla juice, green tea, lemon water with honey or cinnamon tea. After regular motion, you can have normal water enema. What is enema? Enema is the process to detoxify your body or cleaning your stomach or intestines. Because I already discussed in my previous video that hypertension is due to mucus formation or indigestion or constipation. So, by enema, we'll take out all the toxins and poisonous gases from our body. It is very easy process. First of all, we have to purchase an enema pot from any medical shop. Fill that enema pot with plain water and mark is given in that. Keep it above your body and sit in a cat position. Pot should be above our body. Apply oil on the nozzle given in the enema pot and insert that nozzle around 3 to 4 inch in the rectum and hold tightly. This process is very simple and not at all painful. Try to hold the water in stomach for at least 2 minutes or take a small walk. Then you will see how the toxins will come out. Try to do this process for 15 to 20 days if the person is overweight or obese. But if the person is lean, then don't do it for 15 or 20 days. Just do it for 3 to 4 days, then give a gap, and then again for 2 to 3 days in a week. This way, we can detoxify our body, and with diet also, we can reduce our cholesterol and fats. After detoxifying the body, now the second process comes is to increase the blood circulation of our body. We can do this by wet, pack or hot and cold therapy. This process is also easy. Take a white cotton cloth, fold it for around 10-inch width and put it into a very cold water and then tie on your stomach. Take a second cloth for around 2 inch and tie on your neck, and a third cloth same 2 inch and tie on your forehead and head. This should be too cold. Your other body part is warm. So in this way the circulation is increased, and this increased circulation will help to reduce the clottings or blockages in your body. We can walk or do any work while doing this process, but we can't eat or drink anything during this process. Do this process for 2 or 3 weeks, but do this process in summer only, just for half an hour every day. Then after doing this process, have juice. There are different types of juices you can have, like carrot juice, pomegranate juice, watermelon juice, spinach juice, red grapes juice or beetroot juice. Then have your breakfast. We can have 1 or 2 banana. Try to have 1 raw garlic with water because it acts like a blood thinner. But if you are having a hyperacidity problem, then skip garlic during breakfast and switch it to during lunchtime. Add garlic, ginger, rosemary, 2 or 3 spoon flax seeds, nuts, different types of seeds in your diet. Banana is very good for high blood pressure patients. Add onion, raw onion in your meal because onion is having a flavanol which helps in lowering the blood pressure. Have boiled potatoes or sweet potatoes in your meal. Add different type of berries, broccoli, pumpkin. Pumpkin because pumpkin flushes the sodium. Pumpkin means kaddu. Add green leafy vegetables, fruits, lean proteins like fresh fish. Add food which is very high in calcium, potassium and magnesium. Switch to brown rice instead of white rice. Walnuts because it's rich in magnesium and fiber. Switch to whole grains like jowar, bajra, quinoa and oats. Instead of white bread, you can have brown bread. Legumes are too good in proteins, so start having legumes every day. In dinner, you can have tomato soup, and in that tomato soup, you can add carrot and spinach too. Fermented foods are also very good, like dosa, idli, uttapam. Things we should avoid in high blood pressure is sodium intake. For example, white salt, replace it with sendha namak, that is called rock salt. Processed food or packed food, oily and fried foods, for chips, fries, french fries, because that is very high in salt content. Saturated fats, red meat, sweets, sugar, alcohol and smoking, that we should avoid completely if a person is suffering from high blood pressure. If you have habit of having alcohol every day, You can switch it to red wine because it is made up of red grapes and that is having resveratrol, which helps to lower the blood pressure. We should avoid pickles because it's having lot of salt in that. Pizza, any products which is made up of tomato, we should avoid completely. We should avoid butter, full fat milk or cream, pasta, popcorns, soya sauce, muskmelon, that is called kharbuja. Tarboos is very good because it's good for hydration, but we should avoid kharbuja, that is called muskmelon. We should avoid maida, cornflakes, corns, cakes, cheese. These are the things we should avoid in high blood pressure, and rest we should have in our diet. I already told you about the naturopathy and diet process. Now comes the yoga, exercise and meditation part. The most important thing is this video is only for high blood pressure patients. If the patient is suffering from arthritis, PCOS or PCOD or any other diseases, then they should not follow this diet. This is for only high blood pressure patients. Diet always vary from patient to patient. Diet is always personalized. So this video is only related to high blood pressure patients. If you found my video informative and if you liked it, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. God bless and take care.